Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your notifications on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you want to see friend invites or something like that pop up, or like other notifications. Let's go to System Settings right here. There's an entire section just for notifications. Scroll on down. Then you can go to Download Complete Notifications. You can turn that on or off. And then here's Friend Notifications. And then you can turn this on for specific people. Online users, notify when friends go online. We have all friends, best friends, or none. Invite notifications, all friends, we can change this to. Voice chat notifications right here, on or off. So those are the friend notifications. We can come to this section. Otherwise, we have platinum point notifications. And you can turn this on or off. When we receive points for that. Then we can go to alarm notifications. If you set a playtime alarm, the notification will show up on here. Then we have notification sounds. We can turn this on or off as well. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on Your Six Tech.